If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly on your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna proceed to Bluetooth. What you can do is you can simply turn off Bluetooth, turn off your Bluetooth device, and then we're gonna re-enable Bluetooth and then turn your Bluetooth device back on. And of course, there is a chance that you will be able to reconnect to your Bluetooth device, but this is only if, for example, you have been connected to the device before. If not, then you might need to also enable the pairing mode on your Bluetooth device if you have one, in order to try to find your device on this list of available devices, so then you can of course try to pair it. If your Bluetooth device does not have a pairing mode, you might need to make sure that it is not connected to any other device, like for example to another smartphone or just anything. Now, if this didn't help, what you can also do is, in case you had the device connected before but now it is not, you can just simply remove the saved Bluetooth device from your phone. You can completely unpair it, and then we're gonna turn off your Bluetooth device, turn it back on, and try to pair it one more time. So once again, of course, you can make sure that you have the pairing mode enabled if it's possible. Then we're gonna select your Bluetooth device from this list, and then hopefully you can connect once again. There we go. In my case, it actually worked. Now, besides that, remember that you can refresh the list of available devices. So in case you cannot find your Bluetooth device on this list, you can of course refresh that list. It is possible to refresh the list once in a while, so if it's still not there, just wait a couple of more seconds and I'm pretty sure it's going to appear sooner or later. Now, in addition to that, what you can also do is you can simply factory reset or hard reset your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting. But of course, once you do that, and in order to find out how to do that, ideally you probably want to check the user manual of your Bluetooth device if you have one. So once you factory reset the Bluetooth device, you can try to pair your Bluetooth device again on your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro. You might also need to once again turn off and turn your Bluetooth device back on. This can also be quite helpful, especially after factory resetting. This ensures that there is no other device connected or even saved on your Bluetooth device. Of course, we have like a fresh Bluetooth device that was not used before. I mean, just in theory, of course. Now, besides that, what we can also do is we can go back to settings, and over here we're gonna open more connectivity options, and then you should be able to find this option over here: reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. So in here we want to reset these settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate them, so if you decide to reset these settings, of course your Bluetooth devices are going to be completely unpaired and erased from this phone. But also you will have to, for example, connect to your Wi-Fi networks again, because they are going to be removed from your phone as well, so keep that in mind. But once you decide to reset settings, you want to just return to Bluetooth settings on your phone, and then try one more time to pair your Bluetooth device. Last but not least, sometimes a simple restart of the phone can also be quite helpful, so if nothing works, just simply reboot the phone, and this can even solve some of the issues as well. So give it a try. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.